Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about determinants. Okay, students? So, the determinant of x minus 4, 2x, 2x, x minus 4, and then 2x, x minus 4. What was?
The answer.
What is the answer? A plus
Surgery.
bx into x minus a whole square. This is JEE Mains 2018. Okay. So how to complete this one? First, we can observe the each row and the column. What are the elements? X minus 4, 2x, 2x is there. Here also 2x, 2x is there. Now we can written as R1 is replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. That's good. Therefore R1 is replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now that is what? End of 5x. Yes, 5x minus 4. Next. 5x minus 4. 5x minus 4. Okay. Now the second row is the 2x, x minus 4 and 2x. And the third row is the 2x, x minus 4 equal to a plus bx, x minus a whole square. What is the next? 5x minus 4 is the common. Okay. So we have to take the common term is 5x minus 4. Then it is 1, 1, 1. After that 2x, x minus 4 and 2x, x minus 4 equal to a plus bx and x minus a whole square. So each element in the first row is the, what is? 1. Now we can apply the column operation.
0, 0, 0.
Right. Therefore, C1 is replaced by C1 minus C2.
C2 replaced by C2 minus
C2
C3.
minus C3. Now this is by 5x minus 4, 1 minus 1, 0. 2x minus x is x plus 4. This is 0. After that, C2 is the C2 minus C3 0. Now 4 minus x. What is there? Minus of that is x minus 2x is the minus x. Minus of x plus 4. Now this is x plus 4. 2x minus x. That is 1. 2x and x minus 4 is the third column. Therefore, a plus bx, x minus a whole square. Now we have to find the determinant. The first row element 0 into minus 0 into 1 into. That is the 5x minus 4 into. End of the x plus 4 whole square. Then a plus bx, x minus a whole square. What is the a?
Minus 4.
What is the b?
5.
Just we have to compare with this one. The x minus a equal to x plus 4. Therefore, a equal to minus 4. When it is a is minus 4, b is the 5. Therefore, the order by a comma b equal to minus 4 comma 5. Is it clear? This is from JEE Mains 2018. Okay, students? Okay, students. Now the second one, alpha f of n equal to alpha power n plus beta power n, and 3 1 plus f of 1. F of 1 means alpha plus beta. So f of 2 means alpha square plus beta square. 1 plus f of 2 and 1 plus f of 3, 1 plus f of 2 and 1 plus f of 3 and 1 plus f of 4 is there. K into 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square and alpha minus beta whole square, then the value of K. Okay students, this is the another JEE mains question. So right now, dear students, the f of 1 is alpha plus beta. F of 2 is alpha square plus beta square. F of 3 alpha cube plus beta cube. F of 4 is the alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. So, and the given depth can be written as, dear students, the 1 1 1 alpha beta 1 alpha square beta square. Is it clear students? And also we can written as, my dear students, now this is the product of, suppose dear students, now the transpose, the first row is first column, the second row is the second column, 1 alpha beta, the third row is the third column, 1 alpha square beta square. Dear students, we observed here the first row is multiple with first column, that is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So dear students, now the second row, what is the second? The first row is multiple with the second column, that is 1 plus undoubtedly alpha plus beta, that is 1 plus alpha plus beta. Now students, the first row is multiple with the third column, 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. This is the students f of 2, 1 plus f of 2. Is it clear students? Now, the second row is multiple with the first column, that is 1 plus alpha plus beta, that is f of 1. Dear student, this is. After that, the second row is multiple with the second column, that is what? 1 plus alpha square plus beta square, 1 plus f of 2. Okay students, right now the second row is multiple with the third column, that is 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube, that is 1 plus f of 3. Okay students, similarly the last row is this one. We have to multiply with the first column, 1 plus alpha square plus beta square, that is 1 plus f of 2. So students, now the third row is the second column, 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube, that is 1 plus f of 3. The last row is the last column, that is 1 plus alpha power 4 plus beta power 4, that is what? F of 4. Okay students, now this can be expressed as this one. So student, this one is already given that, what is the students? K into 1 minus alpha whole square. Yes, 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. So we have to know that the properties of the determinants, the det A equal to det A transpose. What is the students? Det A equal to det A transpose. So student, this is 1 1 1. After that, how to write this one? 1 alpha beta. So 1 alpha square beta square. Now transpose of this one, the first row is the first column, the second row is the second column, the third row is the third column. Dear students, this is K into 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. So students, now this can be written as, dear students, these are same. Undoubtedly we can written as 1 1 1 alpha beta, 1 alpha square beta square whole square. Is it clear students? 1 1 1 1 alpha beta, 1 alpha square beta square whole square. That equal to K into 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. What is the next step? What is the next step? We are taking either row operation or column operation. Therefore, how to write that one? R1 minus R1 is replaced by
R1 minus R1.
yes. R1 is replaced by R1 minus R2. Just we observe is there 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha, 1 minus beta. Is it clear? R1 is replaced by R1 minus R2. Chapandi.
Yes, sir.
That is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is what? 1 minus alpha. This is 1 minus beta.
Sir, square cancel చేయొచ్చు sir అటు
Pi square.
పై స్క్వేర్ అందులో స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్
Just a minute.
yes sir
Okay? ఎందుకంటే k square ఉంది రూట్ ఆఫ్ k అవుతుంది కదా.
అవును
Right. Okay, no problem. Cancel చేసుకోవచ్చు. After that, R2 is replaced by R2 minus R3. That is 1 minus 1, 0. చెప్పండి. Alpha is the common. Alpha minus alpha square. That is 1 minus alpha. Beta minus beta square. 1 minus beta. Now this is 1 alpha square, beta square, whole square is there. Now this is k into 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. Now this is, how can you write this one? So, dear students, right now 0, 0, 1 is there. Okay? What is there? 0, 0, 1. So, undoubtedly we can take an as AD minus BC. Yes or no? 0 into minus 0 into 1 into. We have to find the determinant of the first column. 0 minus 0, 1 into. Therefore, now this can be written as, how to write this one? Beta into. Okay? This is 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta. Is it clear? Now this is minus of alpha into 1 minus alpha, 1 minus of beta. Bhargavas, what is this? Beta into 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta. Minus alpha into 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta.
Beta minus alpha
Is there whole square. That equal to k into 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. So what is the common term here? 1 minus alpha, 1 minus beta. Is there beta minus alpha whole square? Okay. Now after that, what is the k value? From this, what is the value of k? Socket 1. Ending 1 అంటే a minus b whole square and b minus b whole square ఒకటే కదా.
Yes, sir.
Therefore now this is equal to 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, either alpha minus beta or beta minus alpha whole square. K equal to 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. From this, the value of k
One.
is the 1. So dear students, now the third one. So p cube equal to p cube. This is the first one. Equation 1 and another one p square cube equal to q square p, that is 2. Now find the determinant of p square plus q square. Okay. Therefore here the difference of 1 and 2, that implies p cube minus p square cube. After that q cube minus q square p. So the common factor is the p square, that is p minus q. Here also the common factor is the q square. This is q minus p. Now students, the p square into p minus q plus q square into p minus q equal to 0. So students, the p square plus q square into p minus q equal to 0. Applying on both sides, determinant. Therefore, the det of p square plus q square into p minus q, the det of 0, 0. Dear students, right now, det of AB is the det A. What is the form, students? Det AB equal to det A into det B. So, students, the det of p square plus q square equal to 0 or det of p minus q equal to 0. Here they are asking the determinant of p square plus q square equal to 0. Okay, students?
Okay, sir.
Dear student, this is also previous JEE mains question. D is the given that first row 1 1 1, second row is the 1 1 plus x 1, and third row is the 1 1 1 plus y. So, dear students, the options are divisible by. D is divisible by neither x nor y, divisible by both x and y, divisible by x but not y, and student, the divisible by y but not x. So, students, first we find the determinant. So, we are taking the first C1 is replaced by C1 minus C2. What is the, students? That is 1 minus 1 0. That is minus x. Yes, it will be 0. And also, students, the C2 is replaced by C2 minus C3. This is also, students, 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus x minus 1
X.
x, after that
And
minus y.
minus y.
So, students, the last column is 1
One plus
y. So, students, right now we have to find the determinant of the first row. 0 into 0 minus 0 plus 1 into, that is what? xy minus 0. Therefore, that is x into y. So, the d is divisible by both x and y. The d is divisible by both x and y. Dear students, this one also previous JEE mains question. If you apply, if a square plus b square plus c square equal to minus 2 and f of x is 1 plus a square x, 1 plus b square into x, 1 plus c square into x, 1 plus a square of x, 1 plus b square x, 1 plus c square into x, 1 plus a square into x, 1 plus b square x, 1 plus c square x. So then f of x a polynomial of degree. So students, a square plus b square plus c square is the minus 2. So students, a square plus b square plus c square is the minus 2. So undoubtedly, we take it as first C1 replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C3. That is what, students? So the 1 plus, all of you observed here, the 1 plus, here x is there, here also x is there, here also x is there. Therefore, a square, after that 1 plus b square, 1 plus c square, x is the common. So dear students, similarly, what is there here? 1 plus a square. So plus b square is there 1 plus c square into x. Now students, what is here? The 1 plus, is there 1 plus? Undoubtedly 1 plus a square, 1 plus b square plus c square into x. So the last two columns are, dear students, 1 plus b square into x, 1 plus b square x, 1 plus b square of x. That is what, students? 1 plus c square of x. Yes, 1 plus c square of x. This is the, students, 1 plus c square of x. So, dear students, what is the common in the first row? Each and every term is there. A square plus b square plus c square. That is the value. What is the students? A square plus b square plus c square is the minus 2 plus 2. 0. So this will be the 0. That means 1, 1, 1. Is it clear, students? A square plus b square plus c square minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Now this is 1 plus b square of x. Bharadwaj, what is that second? 1 plus b square x.
1 plus b square to x.
1 plus b square into x. Next one. 1 plus c square of x. 1 plus c square of x. 1 plus c square into x. So, R1 minus R2 and R2 minus R3. So, dear students, first you can write R1 replaced by R1 minus R2. So, students, that is 1 minus 1, 0. After that, here, this is x, b square x. This is what? 1 plus b square x. B square x cancel. X minus 1. That is the x minus 1. Yes. After that, this is also 0. R1 minus R2. Rho 1 minus rho 2. Okay. Now, the R2 is replaced by R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. So, what is this? 1 minus 1? 0. Now, this is undoubtedly the 1 plus b square x is there. Here, x plus b square x. B square cancel. This is what? 1 minus of x. Dear students, this is again c square x cancel. This is x minus 1. The sum of x minus 1. So students, the 1 plus b square of x. Finally is there 1 plus c square of x. What is the depth? 0 into minus 0 into 1 into x minus 1 whole square. This is the students of the degree. What is the degree? F of x. Dear students, this is the f of x. The f of x is, we got f of x equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. The degree of f of x is 2. Yes, the degree of f of x is the 2. Write down. The degree of the f of x is the 2. Okay, students? Dear students, the one more previous GMS question. Here the A1, A2, A3 and so on AN and so on are in GP. Dear students, we know that AN, suppose we are taking the last term is nth term AN, that is nothing but students TN. Everybody know that A into R power n minus 1. What is the students? A into R power n minus 1. Where n is there? Tn. A into R power. The first term is the A1 students. Undoubtedly R power n minus 1. Where n is there? N minus 1. So students, similarly an plus 1. How to write the Tn plus 1? That is what? A1 R power n. So where n is there? N minus 1. N plus 1 is there? N. N plus 1 minus 1. Okay. How to write? The another one. An plus 2. Bharadwaj, how to write this is? Yes. A1 power R power n plus 1. Now dear students, applying on both sides logarithms. Logarithm ln an. Log of AB. What is the log of AB?
Log A
plus
plus
log B. That is log of A1 plus n minus 1 into log R. Similarly, log of an plus 1. That is log A1 plus n into log R. After that, the log of an plus 2. How to write this one? Log A1 n plus 1 log R. So similarly we can find for MI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arya. Suppose what is the log n? Suppose log n value
Log A1 plus n minus 1 log R.
log A1 plus n minus 1 into
Log R.
log R. Similarly, this is what?
Log of an plus 1.
Log of A1 n into log R. Log of A1 plus n plus 1 into log R. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this is what?
Log A1
Log of A1 n plus 3 is there. n plus 2 log R. Next one. Log of A1 is there n plus 4. That means n plus 3 log R. Next. Log of A1 n plus 4 log R. What is log R? Is there n plus 6. Now this is log of A1 n plus 5 log R. Next one. Log of A1 n plus 6 log R. Next one. Log A1
n plus 7 log R.
n plus 7 log R. So now we can written as how to write? R1 is replaced by R1 minus R2. That is undoubtedly log 1 cancel. This is n cancel minus 3 log R. Asarma. After that again it is minus 3 log R. Log A1 n log R cancel. That it is minus 3 log R. After that R2 replaced by R2 minus R3. Log A n cancel minus 3 log R. Yes, minus 3 log R. This is also minus 3 log R. So this is the last row. What is the last row? This is the last row. Okay. So dear students, so the two rows R1 and R2 log R. This is the third row. We can written here. All of you write the third row as it is. Third row is there. We can write all of you as it is. So what is the determinant of this one? 0. Since row 2 and R1 and R2 are identical, similar. That makes here when you are taking R1 minus R2, these are all 0. Any row, each element is 0, then the determinant value is the 0. Write down, students. Dear students, right. 1 omega square of the cube root of unity. We know that 1 omega square of the cube root of unity, then omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is the 0. Okay. Therefore, students, the R1 replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RC1 is replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C3. As it is. Okay, students. Now D can be written as how to write 1 plus omega power n, omega power 2n. Okay, students. After that, this is dear students. Now then what? Undoubtedly that is 1 plus omega power n, omega power 2n. This is also 1 plus omega power n, omega power 2n. So, my dear students, second row omega power n, omega power 2n, 1. So, omega power 2n, 1, omega power n. Dear students, right now we have to find this value in two cases. So, dear student, the first case is the n is the not a multiple of 3, and another case n is the multiple of 3. When it is a multiple of 3, undoubtedly omega cube value 1. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Omega cube, omega power 6, omega power 9. These all values are equal to 1. So students, the case 1. Case 1. If n is not a multiple of 3. Dear students, if n is not a multiple of 3, undoubtedly, dear students, 1 omega power n, omega power 2n. Suppose if you are taking n is not a multiple of 3. Suppose if you are taking n equal to 1, that is 1 plus omega square. Since students, either we are taking if n equal to 1 or 2. N equal to 1, this is students 1 plus omega square value is the 0. Okay students, what is the dead here? The d equal to 0, 0, 0 and omega power n, omega power 2n 1. So students, omega power 2n 1, omega power n. Each element of the first row is equal to 0, then its det is 0. Okay students, right now we have to find the case 2. What is the student case 2? N is the multiple of 3. N is the multiple of 3. N is the multiple of 3. So students, when we are taking n is the multiple of 3, undoubtedly students, 1 plus omega power n, omega whole power 2n is, suppose students, let n equal to 3, undoubtedly omega cube is 1. Here omega cube whole square, that is 1, it will be the 3. Dear students, the first row each element is 3, 3, 3. So student, this is what? 1, 1, 1. Yes. 1, 1, 1. So this is the students. It is a multiple of 3, undoubtedly 1, 1, 1. So this is also students 1, 1, 1. The determinant of this one is also 0. In both cases, what is the solution is? 0. Write up students. The required answer is 0. If the n is not a multiple of 3 and n is multiple of 3, in both cases the d equal to 0. Okay. If a greater than 0, the discriminant of ax square plus bx plus c is negative. Okay. So allow me first we observe a is there, b is there, ax plus b is there. So now, how to write? The C3 replaced by C3 minus of somebody C3 minus of C1x plus C2. Very good. Ax plus b ఉంది కదా?
Yes sir.
అంటే దీన్ని x తో ఇంటూ చేస్తాం ax plus b మైనస్ చేస్తాం. ఏంటి వస్తుంది?
0.
Yes. The column 1 we can written as same. AB, AX plus B. The column 2 is BC, BX plus C. Now this is what? 0. BX plus C. This is also 0. అందులో చూడండి C3 minus of my C3 means 0 minus of చెప్పండి. 0 minus C1x, that is ax square plus bx plus c2, bx plus c. This is the ax square 2bx plus c. So dear students, we know that how to write this is 0 into minus 0 into this one into ac minus b square. It was this equal to minus of ax square plus bx plus c. Andalo chudandi ax square plus bx plus c into what is that is ac minus b square. Akash?
Yes, sir.
So here 2bx kada ini? Understand or not? 2bx. Now undoubtedly what are you doing under? Ax square plus 2bx plus c. What this is? B square minus ac. B square minus ac. Clearly, ఇక్కడ ax square plus 2bx. చూడక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ax square plus 2bx
ఏ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్
2003.
అదా సార్ ఇక్కడ లేదు సార్
ax square plus 2bx plus c. Dear students, the discriminant of this is given that this is negative undoubtedly. So dear students, the discriminant is negative. So when the discriminant is negative, we have to know that delta less than 0. That is b square. B square is the 2b whole square minus 4ac. That is the 4b square minus 4ac. So students, b square minus ac less than 0. What is the students? My dear students, the b square minus ac, this is less than 0. But dear students, when the discriminant is less than 0 and a is greater than 0, this expression is always positive. My dear students, just we take some example. Here x square plus x plus 1 is, suppose we are taking, my dear students, x square plus x plus 1 is there. What is the discriminant of this function? This expression b square minus 4ac. That is minus 3 always less than 0. But the coefficient of x square is 1. That is a equal to 1 is positive. There we observe the x square coefficient is positive. The x square coefficient is positive. Yes, students, the x square coefficient is positive and the discriminant is less than 0. When we are taking the x square plus x plus 1 is a quadratic expression, the x square coefficient 1 is positive but the discriminant is negative. So here this expression, undoubtedly one theorem is there in quadratic expressions. When the discriminant is less than 0, the sign of the expression is always based on the coefficient of x square. If the coefficient of x square is a positive, this expression is positive for any real number. When the discriminant is less than 0, when a is a negative, this expression is negative for any real number. So dear students, suppose we are taking x0, that is 1 positive, x square 1, this is positive, x square minus 1, this is positive. If you take any real value for x, this is always positive. So students, is positive for all x belongs to R. This is positive for all for x belongs to R. So students, this is always positive, this is negative. The required solution is negative. Plus into minus is minus. Is it clear? So dear student, first you can write the discriminant of ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac. Here the b square minus ac less than 0 means negative. This is always positive. Positive into negative is the negative. Okay students? write down. This is also previous JEE Mains question. Okay, students. So here a plus 1, a minus 1, minus b plus 1, b minus 1, c minus 1, c plus 1 plus a plus 1, b plus 1, c minus 1, a minus 1, b minus 1, c plus 1. Dear students, minus 1 whole power n plus 2 into a, minus 1 whole power n plus 1 into b, minus 1 whole power n into c is 0. Then n is even. The options are given that even, odd, an integer and 0. Dear students, even integer, odd integer, 0. What is Bharadwaj here? Here we minus kavali. The required is minus.
Yes, sir. Or row
Minus kavali ante what is there here? A is there, minus b is there, c is there.
voltage.
Undoubtedly, just 1 minute. When we are taking here minus, the minus వచ్చినప్పుడు minus common తీసుకోండి.
Yes, sir.
So undoubtedly minus కావాలంటే ఏం కావాలి? Undoubtedly odd.
Odd hours.
Is it clear or not? When it is odd, undoubtedly, if n is odd, undoubtedly it will be the minus a. After that, plus b.
Plus b.
After that, this will come here. So after that, we are taking the minus is the common. Minus common is good. Therefore, this is minus a minus b c. Just you can transfer it. So, what is the transfer? That a equal to that a transfer.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Therefore, now this is the first column is the first row. Second column is a plus 1, b plus 1. The first column is first row. The second column is a plus 1, b plus 1, c minus 1. That is what? A minus 1, b minus 1, c plus 1. So, that is how to write this one. So, dear students, first you can interchange these two. Yes or no? Is it clear? Just you can first the C3, C2 interchange. Okay? What is the first you can interchange the C2 and C3? You got 1 minus. After that, C2 and C1. Again we got minus. Minus into minus?
Plus.
Plus. Undoubtedly this is minus AB minus C. After that, what is that one? A plus 1, B plus 1, C minus 1. Then it is A minus 1, B minus 1, C plus 1. Is it clear? Further, are you understand? First you can interchange the C2 and C3. Sorry, R3 and R3. Sorry, this is R2, this is R3. First you can interchange R2 and R3. After that you can interchange row 1 and row 2. Is it clear? First row 3 is the row 2. Row 2 is the row 3. That is this one. After that also we can interchange R1 and R2. Minus A, minus B, minus C rows. So 2 times number maintain plus. Now minus is the common in the first row. First row the minus common and minus common is end of it. So the cancel.
Yes, sir.
So this is for and is the odd integer only. So undoubtedly A minus B, C. Then it is A plus 1, B plus 1, C minus 1. A minus 1, B minus 1, C plus 1. When we are taking the common factor in the first row is the minus. That is what? A minus B plus C. That is A plus 1. So what is this one? B plus 1. Yes. C minus 1. This is A minus 1. This is B minus 1. This is C plus 1. Undoubtedly these are same. This is 0. So dear students, the right option is the n is odd integer. Okay students, this is today's students. All of you please practice this video and the exam syllabus is up to determinants. Okay, students, thank you all.